What's up?
Hi.
We're gonna be. Who's this nigga? I think we should stop there. Who's this nigga?
He's not an N-word. But yeah. This was a request. Okay, I don't know how to say this name. It's Metalecalec, I think. And King Moses before official music video. This was a suggestion. So let's see.
Ready for war, whatever they wanna pull, already packed stash before we ever get to thinking about opening the door.
I'll never understand why people wear bulletproof vests for no reason.
Because we got abs, nigga. I have abs.
A bulletproof face.
Wait, I'm sure it's real.
No, it's not. It's the fashion statement thing.
Wait, do you think the individual is gonna jump off the cliff and then prove?
All their blood being shared, but it's taking our dash before we ever get to ready for war. Whatever they wanna pull, already packed stash before we ever get to thinking about opening the door. All their blood being shared, but it's taken as a joke till it's washing up on every shore. Sure, from the secrets that I hold, never catch me leaking by the person like got someone I know. By the stream from what I'm hiding, they probably like maybe how they mow. Choosing how they wanna be seen, edited before it shows. Resorting into suicide when they feel exposed, or they drowning in another dose. Matter of time before the tag up on their toes. Cuts a lot deeper when it's someone that you cared about. I've been riding around so I could air it out. Luckily the city really covered in smog. Reminiscing on simpler times and when I used to jog with Natalie. Hollywood Hills. I really get the chills when I'm feeling like I'm being still. God and Satan both really trying to take the wheel. Saw the glass half full till it really had a spill. Really robbed of my innocence back when I was schooling in Jacksonville. Now women wanna have my babies. Crazy cause they living in Brazil. I gotta touch her ass, I don't believe that this is real. Really used to fantasize about it. A lot of women set parameters, landmines around it. I'm the talk up in that group chat, why they just announcing? Base it off a fleeting moment. Used to feel lonely when I was in enrollment. Can't control it, wanna murder my component. All of them condoned it. You can't even see me turn your brightness up, my whiteness rub.
This nigga trauma dumping. I wanna hear that again.
Yeah, it's one of those.
He's trauma dumping. He's talking about when he was lonely.
I hate it when people do that.
I gotta touch her ass, I don't believe that this is real. Really used to fantasize about it. A lot of women set parameters.
Not in this part of the world, buddy. All of my girls are real. The best in the world is a South African.
I wanna touch ass.
Easy.
This is how I look at a touch ass.
Yeah, it's because your girls' asses are way too small. I don't think manometric.
Yeah, Lala.
I'm just saying, in this part of the world, no fake asses over here.
Landmines around it. I'm the talk up in that group chat. Why they just announcing? Base it off a fleeting moment. Used to feel lonely when I was in enrollment. Can't control it. Wanna murder my component. All of them condoned it. You can't even see me turn your brightness up. My whiteness rubs some of them the wrong way. And I'm Persian too. See the look up on their faces cause they all confused. Sitting in pews instead of watching the news. I'm watching anger rise from a nation finding out they misused. Y'all glued to the consequences. Y'all genetic frames came with some broken lenses. They know I'm goated, but they won't admit.
Oh, your genetic frames came with some broken links. Wait, I need to hear that again.
I'm watching anger rise from a nation finding out they misused. Y'all glued to the consequences. Y'all genetic frames came with some broken lenses. They know I'm goated, but they won't admit it. Thinking they know me cause they knew me as a kid, but that's an old description. Codependence, act so suspicious. They want your business, so they stroke your ignorance. These yes man get wet up like I'm about to load the dishes. Moses vicious, I fix the eyes to see this broke religion. That Moses children, the boasting image is so specific, the goals of fiction. God ain't a white man in some close depiction, but they don't want us to know the difference cause the culture's winning. Man, argue with me when there's no division, but y'all don't really wanna work, y'all rather go for mentions. And now they acting like, oh no he didn't, he overdid it. That joke's offensive, these punchlines only
Okay,
hurt.
wait. Why the fuck is this city so empty? Like, it's too empty for my
It's
liking.
during COVID.
What the fuck is this?
Check the dates. It's probably during COVID.
Yeah.
It's during COVID.
2 weeks ago. Come
Not even
on.
2 years. Jesus
What
Christ.
fucking ghost town are you in? What the hell? It's too empty. There's no movement.
Culture's winning. Man, argue with me when there's no division. But y'all don't really want to work. Y'all rather go for mentions. And now they acting like, oh no, he didn't. He overdid it. That joke's offensive. These punchlines only hurt because we growing timid. From a place where the growth's forbidden. It's overridden with drugs, so my people have coke addictions. Police take one good look at us and think I know he did it. He reached for his ghost to live it. And then it
Nigga, you the most light-skinned nigga I've seen in a while. How the fuck do police bother you? Like, I don't know how comments gonna bother this nigga. Like, even
He has dreads. He's asking for it.
even his game face. This nigga has a game face and he's pouting. His game face consists of pouting. This is the most light-skinned nigga shit I've ever seen.
He literally looks like he could be related to Drake.
Oh, okay. Drake is, Drake is kind of...
Nah, they look alike.
Yeah?
They look alike in terms of like skin and all that.
Nah, he looks more masculine.
hurt because we growing timid. From a place where the growth's forbidden. It's overridden with drugs, so my people have coke addictions. Police take one good look at us and think I know he did it. He reached for his ghost to live it, and then he unloaded in him. And then they tell us it's all good, all forgiven. The moment we start to ride, they label our folks a menace. They get away with murder, we die cause we won't permit it. This broken system is fucked, we need more than hope to go fix it. Moses.
This nigga went off.
They both good, right? But just me on a personal level, they have that logic effect thing.
Yeah.
It's like you can rap, but it's like I wanna pick something up. You know what I mean? Like
Yeah, thing is, King Moses.
I'm looking for
I really
like,
wish
a punch.
I really wish he let the beats breathe a bit. Like
Yeah, dude, they were in the moment.
I don't like being like this, so close to the radio. I don't like that shit.
Yeah, actually, like go with the music. Yeah.
I mean, I like not like I don't let lines go over my head, but at the same time, I don't like being like.
Cause that's another thing. I never Google lyrics, like ever. I'll never Google lyrics. I'll listen to a song. If I listen again and I listen again until I catch it, because I need to catch it within the energy. Like I can't read lyrics. But imagine if you're gonna like.
I mean, I get it. You're an artist and you want to what's this thing?
Like the words are meant to be heard, not read. That type of effect.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because I mean, the first guy, he was dope. Like
Yeah, and that's an audible.
he
and,
was
yeah,
dope.
composer.
He actually let the beats breathe a bit. You could hear some of the smart lines that he had.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm still talking about the ass part.
But anyway,
But anyways, yeah,
it's a good track. It's a good
it's
track.
a good track.
But now I
A bit
think
too dark.
yeah, it has that effect of because it's like if you have something like this, you gotta have something bright to go with it, just to show your duality, so to speak. But yeah, it's a good track. So yeah, we done. Metalecalec and King Moses.
Fuck that shit. I'm googling what the fuck that means. Hold on. I need to Google that shit.
Metalecalec.
Let me see what pops up.
Someone else, or is it the same guy?
Is it not him?
Okay, I think it's the
Oh,
same
it's
person.
him.
Yeah.
He's light skin. Oh, he has a light skin pose too.
Pouting with the tongue.
I don't know where's the okay.
Texas.
What the fuck does metal? What does
But
it mean?
what does it mean? Because it sounds like a word than a name.
Yeah, because I felt really dumb. I felt really dumb when I was trying to say it. Meaning of, okay, they telling me about a song's meaning.
Hey man, that's no, same.
Okay, never mind.
Whatever.
I think the conclusion is there's no meaning.
Damn. How's that for a song? Explain in a song what that means.
Where do you rank it? How do you rank it?
What's the scale?
10.
For what it is, I can give it a 7. For what it could be, I'd give it a 4.
I don't know. I just give it a 6. I think because
I think they got the like they achieved what they were trying to do, but it could have been a song. It could have been better if you get what I mean.
yeah, the King Moses, even though he can rap. I mean, it's not so that he can't rap, but at the same time, it's like
It's like my biggest
yeah,
thing. My
it's
biggest,
it's too logic. Like
yeah, it has that go in a rap. It's like
if Logic's white ass and Hobson's black ass made a kid, they would have this guy
yeah. But the point that I'm making
because
is like
he really can rap. The problem is
both of them can rap, but they don't have
let it breathe.
personality. That's
let
the
it
thing.
breathe. Yeah, let it breathe.
Like they don't show off personal taste and style, and it's like
Humor,
bars.
humor or something like.
It's like I didn't get a taste of who you are. I only got a taste of your ability.
And that both y'all niggas have ops.
Anyway, we done. Sharp.